That's when it's my favorite. It makes your eyes twinkle.
Does it now?
Half price if you buy two.
Wow. You again? Is this your store?
No, my father's.
How much?
800 rupees, please.
800 rupees.
Okay, for you, 550.
Incredible. So, does your father usually leave you here alone?
No, he's away fighting the rebels.
Oh. The Indian army called him up, did they?
No, he volunteered.
Really? Well, if it was my choice, I wouldn't leave you here alone. All right. That's 300.
Bet the deal. 400 rupees plus Ganesh.
You don't want this. It's broken. See?
You don't know the story? Ganesh fought Parashuram while standing guard at his father's door.
Yes, to defend the honor of his father, Shiva, and got his tusk hacked off for his troubles.
Interesting.
Anyway, it's not for sale. Right on time. Okay, look. 600 rupees. You can keep the change.
Hey, wait! Hey, you need the guy.
Oh? And what'll that cost me?
My sister needs me. How am I supposed to get it tonight?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ get these supplies across the bridge.
Need to be on that truck before it goes.
Oh! So, you're Ganesh. How much for it, really?
Not for sale.
நம்பவே முடியாது அவர் ரொம்ப யங்க தெரியுறாங்க
கடைசியா நீங்க எப்போ வர பாத்தீங்க
டாக்டர் கிட்ட போனாரா
சொல்ல வரல இல்ல பரவாயில்ல நீங்க சொல்றது சரியா
Excuse me.
What?
Don't get me wrong. Decent technique on the lift. But I'd like my Ganesh back. Please.
Fine.
A for effort, kid.
கறி பார்த்தீங்களா எவ்வளோ நாசமாக இருக்குது
பார்த்தேன் அந்த கறி ஃபுல்லாக எறும்பு குத்திது நீங்களாம் எங்கேருந்துங்க வாங்கிட்டு வரா
தெரியல ஆனால் கண்டிப்பாக என் அப்பா கிட்டே இருந்து வாங்கிட்டு வரல அது அபத்தமானது அவங்க குடும்பம் 20 வருடங்களாக ஒன்றாக இணைந்து செயல்பட்டு வருகிறார்கள் பிறகு ஒரு நாள் ஆதரவு
People aren't allowed across the bridge. It's too dangerous.
Listen, kid. It's been really fun. You need to make yourself scarce.
I have a spare bed in the store. 300 rupees. Best deal in all of India.
Okay, no thanks. I need to get on this truck.
Bad idea. The rebels, they hurt people.
Listen. I need to help my friend, okay? Tell you what. When I get back, pizza's on me. Deal?
Deal.
Okay. Shit. Damn it.
Sir,
wait!
sir,
Oh,
please.
God.
My dad, we were eating ice cream. I can't find him. I can't get home without him.
It's okay.
He was standing over there. Wait! There he is! There he is! Thank you, sir.
Those poor bastards. Okay. Red door. That's it. Better than nothing. Here we go. It's just an active war zone. Nothing you can't handle.
John,
Why are they still here? God, get out while you can.
Let's go! He's in here!
What are you doing?
Now!
I've done nothing wrong!
Bloody bullies.
Get out of here! Go on! Shut up!
He's lying. Get to the truck.
Move it!
You got the wrong man! I swear to you!
I said get in the truck! Now!
Checkpoint.
Hey, hey, hey! Don't be stupid, lady.
You.
Go home. I mean it. Walk away.
Guess I don't have a choice.
Hey, hold on. What's your rush? How do I know you're not smuggling something in here? Arms up.
Hey,
It's dangerous to be out so late.
hey. Where do you live? What are you, deaf?
Answer him!
I said, where do you live?
Aravdazon.
I'm in the middle of something.
it can wait.
Yes, sir.
Meet me inside.
Understood. You, with me. Man the gun.
Sir, what about her?
Just let her through.
You heard him. Get going.
Lucky for them, I've got somewhere to be.
क्या करे हम?
क्या कर रहा है?
जल्दी करो!
Red door. Check. Not this way.
I said get out of here!
Walk away.
Lucky for them, I've got somewhere to be.
क्या कर रहा है?
जल्दी करो।
Red door. Check. Not this way.
I said get out of here!
Don't smoke. You're restless. I can't tell it. I don't want it.
And that's that.
Shit. Come along, friend.
Looks like rain again. Yeah, might clean this place up at least.
Shit. We're getting closer. We should get off the streets.
Our shift ends in an hour. I need sleep.
You can sleep in the truck.
No, thank you.
Is that the last of them?
Almost. There's a couple more in the alley.
Moving out tonight.
Don't worry. I'm tired of these. No, Asad says 1 week.
Another week in this shithole.
Remember the end goal, brother.
You still have that bottle of coconut arak?
I might. What is it worth to you?
My eternal gratitude.
Okay.
Not good enough.
Where the hell did you get a bottle of Arak anyway?
Down the street from here. This one guy had a large
Great
collection.
timing.
Think there's any left?
I only took 2 bottles.
Going over later.
Pink Lotus. The hell does that mean?
Long enough. I've been with Asif since he was chasing down small trinkets all over India.
To join the really line. This place is a shithole.
Tired of these small operations. When do we take the fight to the tyrants?
Government thinks we're dead.
They won't think that for much longer.
Huh? Stop right there!
Damn it!
No! You got lucky!
Anyone else? No? Indian Army's not messing around. Ah, Pink Lotus. Not what I was picturing.
Was at least 2 targets. One was the warehouse, the other... You're in the wrong place, girl.
What the hell?
I've got you.
Nowhere to run.
You're late, Fraser. I see you too.
Holy shit! They took out the first squad!
What the hell was that? I thought you were a professional. Oh, you should relax. You'll live longer.
Relax. It took me weeks to track down Asaf. The man's as unpredictable as they come.
He's just another warmonger with no war to fight.
No, you don't know him like I do. He changes location and routines by the hour. We'd be foolish to take unnecessary risks.
We? Let's get one thing straight. This is my gig. You want your share? We play by my rules. What's it gonna be?
He's the one with the beard.
That's the spirit. Handsome.
If you're into psychopaths.
Nobody's perfect. Where's base camp?
Top floor, balcony.
All right. Let's do this.
Had a street route all planned out. But they'll be looking for us now. What do you suggest?
I'll think of something. Come on. I'll give you a boost up. There you go. Thank you. Follow me. There, that wasn't so bad.
Now what?
Patience.
Oh, Christ! Fraser!
Up here.
Really?
Really. Careful on this one.
Are you sure this is safe?
No. Come on. This way.
You realize we're moving away from Asov's den.
Yeah, we're taking the long way.
Now I see why you're always late.
Just one more hug.
I'll take him out.
No, I got it.
Cobra 1 to Cobra 5, over.
Received Cobra 1.
Get to the closest. Gas activity, over.
Copy that, Cobra 1. Shit.
Adequate work. Well, where to now?
Up. Okay. Just exploring our options. Sit tight. Well, she certainly lives up to her reputation.
What are you doing? There's a crate right up there in the shack.
Ah, be right back. Sorry about that.
How about we avoid crates from now on?
Okay, good deal.
Up ahead.
Shit. There's some cheap office supplies if you want them.
You're always this talkative on the job.
Yeah.
Watch it. Above you. Oh God! Ryder! Watch it. Above you. No, no, no! Watch it. Above you.
One less problem.
It's just above us. No! No! Watch it. Above you.
One less problem.
It's just above us.
See, that wasn't so bad. It wasn't. This will just take a moment.